Right, the Diljit Dosanjh film controversy, where a Pakistani actress is starring opposite Diljit Dosanjh, has led to a huge controversy. Mumbai film body is mulling a ban on Diljit Dosanjh in India. This means it wouldn't be just about producers saying that we will not release the film in India, but this could prove to be a bigger controversy. Why? Because the ban already is in place against Pakistani artists in Indian films. Boycott Diljit Dosanjh call is coming in now. The film body in Mumbai has said will not allow the release of Diljit's films, not just this film but other films as well. And that could spark a bigger concern for Diljit Dosanjh. He's a popular actor singer, but because he's starring opposite this Pakistani actress, Hania Amir. She's one of the popular actresses of Pakistan. But one of her statements against India, referring to Operation Sindoor in India as cowardly, had led to a huge furor. I'm joined by Sana Farzeen. She closely tracks the entertainment industry. Sana, tell me this. How is this becoming possibly a bigger issue than just about the Pakistani actress in the film? What are the producers of the film saying, and why does the Mumbai body feel ban Diljit Dosanjh?
Absolutely, Pooja. We have been talking about this since morning about how Hania's presence in the film has caused an outrage, a backlash from fans all across, Indian fans especially, because of her comments at Pahalgam during the Pahalgam attack post the Operation Sindoor. She definitely was critical about the Operation Sindoor on her social media comments. But even if not that, of course, the federation, various federation and associations in India had demanded a blanket ban over Pakistani artists in Indian films, and this is the reason why there is an outrage over her presence in the film. And right now, speaking to us, B.N. Tiwari is the president of the Federation of Western Indie Cine Employees. This is a biggest organization in Mumbai that kind of handles all the employees, all the cine artists, and they have said that, of course, because the producers had said that they will not release the film in India and it will only target the overseas market, they definitely do not have a hand to play when it comes to the release of the film, because the film is not released in India. But given how they have gone ahead and releasing the film with a Pakistani artist across, they said that they will now have a ban on Diljit Dosanjh and the producers of the film in the future projects. They would not allow them to release any of their films in India, and that would definitely create a bigger issue for Diljit, because this is just one of film that is releasing in overseas, but he has a lot of other projects in India that he's shooting. He's shooting for Border 2. That is one of the biggest films that he has up in an Indian film that he has up in line, and if that creates an issue for the release of Border 2, that would automatically create more issues for the producers.
That's an important point. He recently shared images with regard to Border 2 also coming up. That's a massive ensemble project. So we'll see how this goes for Diljit Dosanjh as well. Thank you very much for now.